Follow this tutorial to learn how to create an account on the Beanstack Tracker app and register for summer reading. Once you've downloaded and opened the Beanstack app, tap Find Your School or Library. You'll then be prompted to search for and select Fairport Public Library. From there, either log in with your existing Beanstack credentials or sign up for a new account. When you tap Sign Up, you'll be asked if you have used Beanstack before. If not, tap No and begin entering your registration information. Your password must contain at least 6 characters. Next, enter your personal account information, followed by your contact information. We ask for your phone number so we can notify you if you win a prize drawing. Once you've created your account, you can add readers. Readers are the individuals participating in challenges and logging their reading. If the account creator would like to participate in challenges, tap Fill out my reader profile. For a family account, where the account creator is not participating, or if you'd prefer to complete your profile later, tap Add a Reader. Then enter the child's name, age, and whether you'd like to receive the library's weekly newsletter. You can create profiles for additional family members later. Feel free to upload a photo or simply continue. To join the Summer Reading Challenge, tap the gray Register button. When the pop-up window appears, tap the blue Register button. If you'd also like personalized weekly book recommendations emailed to you directly from Beanstack, tap Send Recommendations. Otherwise, tap No Thanks. Your first reader profile is now complete. You can continue adding additional readers. Having one account for all family members can be convenient. If you'd like to add another reader, tap Add Another Reader. Otherwise, tap I'm done adding readers and start exploring Beanstack. And that's how to get started with the Beanstack Tracker app. For further assistance, please contact Fairport Public Library. Thanks for watching!